Hello there guys, my name is Peter, and in this tutorial we will be discussing about CGICC and how to install CGICC. So CGICC is a C++ library. So let's search CGICC on our browser and see what it is. Click on this CGICC GNU Project Free Software Foundation, and here they are defining CGICC as it's a C++ class library for writing CGI applications. So the introductions here, they are saying that it is an ANSI C++ compliant class library that greatly simplifies the creation of CGI application for the World Wide Web. CGI performs the following functions: passes both get and pass and post form data transparently, provides string integer, floating point and single and multiple choice retrieval methods for form data, provides methods for saving and restoring CGI environments to aid in application debugging, provides full on-the-fly HTML generation capabilities with support for cookies, awesome, supports HTTP file upload, compatible with fast CGI, licensed under LGPL. So for the Linux guys, you'll need GCC versions 2.81 and greater. For the Windows guys, Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0 is the win. And you can get CGICC from these mirrors, the ftp.gnu.org/GNU/CGICC, or there are other mirrors you can get CGICC from. So enough of everything, let's jump and create a simple application that uses CGICC. So I'm assuming that you installed CGICC and the boost. You also need to install the boost libraries, and I'm going to use Eclipse. So in case you do not have Eclipse, you can go ahead and install. You need to run the following commands to install Eclipse. So the first command will be this. So open up your terminal, and you need to be connected to the internet to execute this command. Just paste it there. So it is sudo apt-get install g++ minus 4.9 OpenJDK. Just click enter. If you are prompted for a password, just enter your password. So the other thing that you need to do is you need to install Eclipse. So to install Eclipse, just execute this command. I think you can say cdt, I'm not quite sure, let me see. I think it's supposed to be just Eclipse. Okay, once you have done that command, now you are able to open up Eclipse. Just go to your dashboard and type in Eclipse and click on this icon that appears, and it will pop up. I've already opened mine, so let's go ahead and create a CGICC program. So I'm going to say new C++ project, and I'll call mine bit. You can call yours differently. It's not necessary that you go by my project name. So select the Hello World C++ project and the Linux GCC if you are on Linux. Click next. So I think that's all fine. Click next. I think that's fine. Then just click finish. Now there are a couple of configurations that we need to make before we are able to run this program. First of all, we need to right click on our project, and then go to properties. Then we need to expand on this C/C++ build. and click on settings. Then under GCC C++ compiler, click on the includes, and the includes that we need are, I don't know which one. So we need these two includes. Then go back to your Eclipse IDE and paste them here. So click on the miscellaneous. I'm going to use C++ 14, but it's not a must that you do this step. You can just leave it if you do not want to specify the standard of C++ that you use. So, but I'm going to stick with C++ 14. Then after that, go to GCC linker, then click on libraries, and the libraries that we need is one that is called Cgicc. So once you have installed Cgicc, then you'll be able to access it. So just say Cgicc, then click OK. Then the location where you can find Cgicc will be located at usr/lib. That's where the directory of Cgicc can be found. So click OK and click apply. Just say no, then click OK. So go to your project and right click on it and select the build project and wait for it to build. So it has already finished building our project. So let's run it and see whether we will be able to do something with Cgicc. So it has already displayed hello world, so we know we are on the right path. There are a couple of includes that we need to use in our program. There are 4 of them. Just going to grab them from Sublime and I'll copy these 4 includes and paste them on my program. So the other thing that we need is a namespace. So I'll just say using Cgicc, and that's that. So I'll just do away with this. So I'll say see out list. So I'll just say list. No, let's say ordered list. And just say see out something like list. So the first list will be probably around sparkling water. We just grab the first list. So I don't know, the second one will be lemonade. And the third one will be I don't know, beer. I can't even drink beer. Let's say I don't know, Sprite. And think that's enough. So just say out. Let's close our unordered list and probably say end line. So when I run this program, it will display on the console, but in the next tutorial we'll be looking at how to display this on our web page on our browser. So yeah, let's just display this on the console for now. So I'm going to build it again. Click on your project and click on build, then run your project, and it displays this. So catch me in the next tutorial where we'll be going deeper on Cgicc. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a nice day.